Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Quick Test Tuesday brought to you by Sparkling Autos. Now I don't imagine I'm going to attract too many new viewers to the channel with this one. This is just one for the regulars. It's going to be a bit of fun using up one of the sample bottles I have on the shelves. And this was Jelly Cherry Snow Foam from Because Race Car Box gift set I was given a couple of years ago. Now this particular kit included probably everything you need to spend the day out of the car, from APCs to interior dressings, tyre dressings, wheel cleaners, basically everything, but all with different scents. So the one I'm going to use today is the cherry scented snow foam. And after messing about with the stupid pop-up lid for a couple of seconds, I took the lid off, poured the rest into warm water to fill up the anachem as directed, and we're all ready for our quick test. So just to take a quick look at what we're actually dealing with first of all. Now the car still has a decent layer of protection on there with the Easy Car Care ceramic wax, which has now been on for about 3 months when I recorded this. Nothing too bad on top of it, bit of light road dust. We're not talking heavy winter traffic film here or anything. It's towards the end of the summer, beginning of autumn. Bit of bird matter on the wing mirror. And yeah, just your general summertime, late summer driving dirt. So we'll spray the product on, allow it to dwell for the recommended time, which wasn't anything specific, it just said for a few minutes, and then we'll rinse it off and see exactly how well it's dealt with the dirt. And being of course the consummate professional product reviewer that I am, I've left a live dwell time counter in the corner just so that you can see as I speed up the footage throughout this process just how long the product has been dwelling. And just taking a close look at the consistency here, so we have a half milky, half bubbly formula. Everybody has their preferences to what they go for. I'm not judging it on that, I'm just letting you have a quick look at it. You can see it's dripping off nicely, hopefully softening the dirt underneath, ready to be rinsed off and take the dirt with it. We shall see. Also worth noting at this stage that the wheels were not washed beforehand. I just wanted to see what effect, if any, it would have on the brake dust. But I don't expect too much from that because at the end of the day, this isn't an expensive, well formulated snow foam. This is a scented snow foam from a gift set, so you can't expect too much from it, I suppose. So as the dwell time counter approaches 3 minutes, you'll see that the product's pretty much run off the car now. I wouldn't want to leave it on any longer, so we'll get it rinsed off and see what effect, if any, it's had on the dirt underneath. And whilst I'm cracking on with that, I should also point out that having looked on the Because Race Car Box website, the product doesn't seem to be for sale individually. In fact, none of their own branded products are, so possibly these are just available as a gift set. But we'll go in and take a closer look and see if you would even want to buy the products. First things first, how did it do on the wheels? Well, we'll do a quick finger rub here and see that, well, it's had very little to no effect if I'm honest. But that was brake dust. What about the lighter dust on the rest of the car? Well, along the top it doesn't seem to have had any effect. Down the bottom of the sills I'll see bits of dirt even though it's wet. And what about that bird crap on the wing mirror? Yep, it hasn't even had enough power to soften that, unfortunately. So with what looks like a maximum of 3 to 3.5 minutes dwell time and little to no effect on the dirt on the car, especially not on the wheels, that only leaves one question. Place your bets then. Yeah, I think that was only ever going to go one way, but at least we've now christened the bin. Hopefully enjoyed the process and getting there. That's really all for this week, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.